Guess what, boys and girls? You're about halfway done with your test. Keep up the great work. Problem 3 says, look at the party picture. So here I see a party picture with some balloons and some hats. I want you to look at this picture, and for A, it says write at least 2 different addition sentences using 3, 6, and 9 that describe the party picture. So you're going to write 2 different number sentences, one on this line and another on this line, using the numbers 3, 6, and 9 that describe the picture. So think about how we've been using numbers lately to write number sentences. You're going to write 2, one on this line and one on that line. Once you're done, for B, over here for B, I want you to tell me, how are those number sentences the same? So you should have 2 sentences up here on A, and down below, I want you to explain, how are they the same? How are they like each other? You can explain using pictures or numbers. So listen again. For A, you're going to write 2 different number sentences using the numbers 3, 6, and 9 that describe the picture. Then on B, try and explain with pictures or numbers how those 2 number sentences are the same. Go to the next slide and get started.